Welcome to Joy Yoga. This is a mini flow brought to you from Sandbanks Beach. Begin in a seated position, feeling your sit bones ground down beneath you. And then slowly become aware of your breath flowing in and out. Inhale, reach your arms high. And then exhale, lean over to the left, opening the chest to the sky. Inhale, come back to center, reach up. Exhale, lean over to the right. Breathing in to the left ribs. Inhale, come back to center, reach up, and then exhale, twist to the left. Right hand on your thigh, left hand behind you. Continue reaching up through the crown of the head, but grounding down through the sit bones. Release, come back to center, reach high. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand comes to the thigh, right hand behind you. Come back to center. Bring your hands to your knees and then draw the chest forward. And then exhale, round the spine, some seated cat-cows. Continue flowing between these two movements, following your breath. Inhale, drawing the chest forward, and then exhale, rounding back, bringing the chin to the chest. Come back to center and then come into tabletop position, hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Curl the toes under and then walk the hands back towards the knees, hands rest on the thighs for a toe stretch. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, lean over to the right. Opening the chest to the sky. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, leaning over to the left. Come back to center, reach high. Release the hands back to the mat, untuck the toes, and then give the tops of the feet a tap. Curl the toes under again, and then press into the palms and hover the knees off the ground just 2 inches. Activate the core. Squeeze everything into the middle, but keep pressing into your palms, reaching the crown of the head forward. And then releasing the knees to the mat, walk the hands back to the thighs with the toes still curled under for a brief toe stretch. And walk the hands back out, untuck the toes, give the tops of the feet a tap. Curl the toes back under, press into the palms, and then hover the knees again 2 inches above the mat. Firming the core, continuing to allow the breath to flow. And then gently releasing the knees to the mat, send the hips back, child's pose. Inhale and completely exhale. Exhale forward and lower to the mat completely. Release the toes, hands underneath the shoulders, and then 3 times cobra. Inhale to lift the chest from the mat, and then exhale, lower back down. Try to smooth out the movements so you're making a wave-like motion with your upper spine. After your third cobra, curl the toes under, lift through knees or plank, hips up and back to down dog. Bend the knees and then straighten one leg at a time, pedaling out the feet. Quiet the heels to the earth and then pressing into the palms, ripple forward to plank. Hover the knees to the mat and then send the hips back and up, completing the wave. Roll forward to plank, hover the knees, send the hips back and then up. One more time, rock forward to plank, hover the knees, send the hips back and up. This will be our flow throughout the practice. Walk the hands back to the feet for Ragdoll. Allow the arms to hang or reach for opposite elbows. Maybe move back and forth. Nod the head yes, shake the head no. Walk the hands back out to down dog. And then lift the right leg, 3-legged dog. Bring the knee to nose and then step it in between your hands. Lower the back knee for low lunge. Send the chest forward and then draw the hips back, half splits. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, hips back, half split. One more time, inhale to come forward, exhale, send the hips back. Ground the left hand next time you come forward, lift the right, easy twist. Bring the hand back to frame the front foot, step back to down dog. Left leg lifts, 3-legged dog. Bring your knee through to nose, and then step it all the way through. Lower the back knee, low lunge. Inhale, send the heart forward. Exhale, hips back. Inhale to come forward. Exhale, send the hips back. Inhale to come forward. Exhale, send the hips back. Next time you come forward, stay, ground the right hand to lift the left, easy twist. Release the hand to frame the front foot, step back to down dog. Now begin your wave, ripple forward to plank, hover the knees, send the hips back, down dog. Continue, 2 more. Try to smooth out the motion, rippling forward and sending the hips back. Lift the right leg, bring knee through to nose, step through, and then press into your feet, rise to Crescent Lunge. You're on your back, the ball of your back foot, front foot stacked under the knee. Open to Warrior 2. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, reaching the right arm high, and then flow through to side angle, right forearm on right thigh, and then moving between reverse warrior through to side angle. One more time, reverse, flow through to side angle. Pause here. Then see the mat, ground the left hand, pop up on the back toes, lift the right arm to the sky, easy twist. Plant the hand to frame the front foot, step back to down dog. Left leg lifts, three-legged dog. Bring knee through to nose, step it in between your hands, press into the feet, rise to crescent lunge. You're on the ball of your back foot. Relax the shoulders. Open to your right, warrior two. Flip the front palm, reverse your warrior, then flow through to side angle. Reverse, and then move to side angle. One more time. Reverse, side angle, pause. See the mat, ground the right palm, lift the left, easy twist. Bring the hands to frame the front foot, step back, down dog. Flow through to plank, hover the knees, lift the hips back and up. Two more times. Smooth out the movement. We'll meet in down dog. Right leg lifts. And then bring the right knee to the right elbow. Send the leg back and up. And then bring right knee to left elbow, twist under your body. Leg goes back and up. Right knee to right elbow. Send the leg back and up. Right knee, left elbow, pause. Kick the leg out and then lift the left arm. Fall in triangle. See the mat. Quietly bring the knee back under the body, hand to the mat, three-legged dog, and then release the right leg to the mat. Left leg lifts, and then rock forward, left knee to left elbow. Leg goes back and up, left knee under the body to right elbow, leg back and up, left knee, left elbow. Send the leg back, left knee, right elbow, pause, kick the leg out, lift the right arm, then see the mat, hand comes down, lift the leg back and up, and then release it to the mat. One more time, flowing forward, send the hips back and up, rock forward to plank, hover the knees and send them back and up. One more. Pausing in down dog. Then releasing the knees to the mat, sending the hips back. Child's pose. When you're ready, you can move into Shavasana. And our quote today is by Margaret Atwood, and it is about water. Water does not resist. Water flows. When you plunge your hand into it, all you feel is a caress. Water is not a solid wall. It will not stop you. But water always goes where it wants to go, and nothing in the end can stand against it. Water is patient. Dripping water wears away a stone. Remember that, my child. Remember you are half water. If you can't go through an obstacle, go around it. Water does. I hope you can embody the qualities of water that you need today. Namaste.